Okay, so question for you. How many of y'all have grow lights that you can't really adjust? You know what I mean? Like they stay so high above your plants that when the plants start to grow, you start getting these leggy plants that don't normally transplant very well. If you have that problem, like I did, check out this company right here. This light system is going to be a game changer for me and for you. So sit back, relax, give me a few minutes to explain to you just how awesome this grow light is going to be and how it'll change the game for you with growing seeds. Okay, now if you have a system set up where you can have a grow light hanging to where you can adjust the height of it, they have one of those also. But for this particular setup, for me, I wanted one with a stand where I could adjust the height of the stand and the height of the grow light directly above my seeds. So let's check this thing out together. All right, so before we open the box, let's check out everything it says. You can control this with your phone. It's Wi-Fi connected. I mean, check all this out, y'all. 8 different levels, adjustable brightness, sunrise to sunset mode, which is amazing. But the coolest thing is you can control this all with your phone. That's wild to me. I love it. Now, okay, so as I would expect, comes with all the instructions. This is the actual light right here. Looks great. Power cord, the different lights, power strip, all the lights and stuff that you need right there. Hooks for if you wanted to actually hang it and dangle it above your seeds. And then all the stand parts, which I got this for the stand. I don't have a setup where I can have it dangling quite yet. Down the road. This here is the base. It's actually quite heavy, which is perfect. There's a lot of weight on that, so I like that. So just like that, we are now connected. And look at this, y'all. We can adjust this down to be just above your seeds. I mean, or raise it up. This is perfect. Exactly what I have wanted. And there we go. Now check that out. Perfect. You can adjust everything on here, and the instructions will explain exactly what you need to do in order to hook it up to your phone, if you choose to go that route. Again, if you wanted to hang this from a setup, comes with all the hooks and levers and everything that you would need for that. And again, what I like the most about this is you can adjust the height to be just above your seed tray. Like, depending on how you grow your seeds, you could have the light literally directly above them, which will keep the plants from growing leggy. And as the plants grow, you can just slowly raise it up or lower it down. If you want to go into the dusk till dawn, you just click that. 50%, full on, vegetable, flower. I mean, this thing is great. Wi-Fi, everything you need is right here with this company and this light system, Grow Light. So if you all are looking to take your seed starting game to the next level, to level it up, so to speak, check out MetryGrow. The links and everything are down below, along with the discount code. Save yourself some money when you go to checkout. Just put in the code and you're good to go. So everyone, take care. May God continue to bless each and every one of you. If you are ready to take your seed starting game to the next level, y'all check out the company. Get this grow light ready to rock and roll with your seeds. And get away from having leggy plants. Nobody likes that. I'll talk to y'all again real soon.